Here is how to permanently delete your Google search history. First of all, open any browser where you want to clear your Google search history. It can be Google Chrome or Safari browser, it doesn't matter. Just open any of browser and then go to google.com and then tap on your Google account profile icon over here at the top right corner of the screen. Then you will see option manage your Google account. Tap on it. Next step, you should proceed to third option data and privacy over here. Then we should scroll down. In very bottom you will see the history settings. You can pause any of your web and app activity, timeline and YouTube history as you want it. So basically we just proceed to web and app activity, and then in very bottom you will see option auto delete. Also, as you can see, I just turn off this option for me. You can do it right now, just tap on here, turn off. So how to delete it? We just tap on over here, next to this arrow over here, and then select delete all my data, and then proceed to delete. In my specific order, I don't have this specific history because my web and app activity is disabled, so I can't tap over here to delete my history. But you just tap on over here and delete your Google search history.